I don't come again. Now me, Nibo's word. Mommy, double O. This owo when I won't cook today. Now pigeon, I go take explainer. And if you know sabi cook urobo owo, what do they wait for? Hit Sandra Akidenu channel. Make you see how they make urobo owo with Gary. But our Edo or Bini owo, na tomatoes they make. And all these things when I put for yes, so now be our ingredients. This one are red oil, pepper, ikan when we they call potash, we they call an ikan, and this one are spices, salt, crayfish, black fish when we they call embe barrier, fish. Me I always they call them snake in the murky shadow. And that one are tomatoes and onions. We get shaki too to put for inside, but we they cook and so that it go there very fast. Like some people they use their owote, they chop starch. But we Benin they use our owote, they chop yam or plantain or cocoa yam. Make we dive into the kitchen, I be make we enter kitchen because we don't tell Nana. Say anytime I want cook, I go bring my black fish. When my mama takes sobobo for me, make I take the sobobo for her for YouTube. And that crayfish too. Thank you to my amazing friend when he did Manchester when he bring this crayfish for me. They say take sobobo too for this food. Una when they bring things for me, make I take the sobobo. God go bless una. And I want to announce again. This my camera stand. When I see say everything just the show so used today. My Smith, thank you so much for this camera stand. If you see the way this camera stand like stick for my front, oh God, you need to see the way it be. So we dey boil the shaki already because say the shaki go still there a little bit hard. So I don't dey cook the shaki already. I feel show una. I dey cook the shaki already so that everything go there fast as I dey cook am. Okay, make we go start now. So first of all, we go first put the onions. We go cut the onions first for inside our blender. We'll just slice the tomato small so that it go quick blend well. Now go wash them, but this one I don't wash them already. I don't wash them. Then we go add our pepper for inside. Then your crayfish you go rinse down with water before you put her inside. Wait till you want blend. Crayfish really good well for owo. We go turn her for inside the pots when we want to cook the owo soup. How we they call her? Owo soup. You go reduce your gas so that you not go to think koto. Now as it start to the boil, you go add your spices. Put this camera stand really they very nice, eh? Go add our salt. If we add our salt finish, we go put this our shaki or tripe or what we they call her. Now know what they call her now. Orishi. We go add and put so that it go soft more. Because we just cook and small, make it for not too strong. You know, say shaki they a little bit hard. So we go turn it together. Now see, huh? We go turn it together. Then we put our turners. Then we go try test them whether what we put it they okay. Yes, it they okay. Then we go put our fish. This fish, if you don't see say you don't they boil small and you know what make it scatter for inside, you feel remove one first. But this black fish when we they call embe barrier, we not go quick put on, because if we quick put on, it go just pieces or scatter for inside. So now we not go put the potash yet. We go put the potash when the tomatoes itself not done, before we go put the potash or the can before we go put them, so that by the time it don't go we put them. Because if it is hot, if you put them, it go pop, they come outside like balloon, like say balloon they on top, you go just the boil the throw away for your gas. So instead you first let them cool first. If you want put the oil, you can put the potassium we dey call ikan. Now we go cover and make it boil, then try to the peel and our yam we want to chop and make we put them for the other side of the gas. Now do well we wanna taste it down. They look this edo owo when I dey make edo owo na tomatoes we take the cook am, while urobo owo na garri they take the cook am. Then we go cover am make it done small. If it done small, then we go come put our embe here when my mama say make I take this bobo. My people, it don't dey boil na say it don't dey boil toko. What did they happen now? That is smoke. As we still they cook our owo, and so I will still they make indomie for my children. Not the only we go chop the pikin for inside. The children they go still need to chop. So that side na their gas. When I take the cook for them, they get their gas, I get my gas. So I they cook for that side indomie for them. So our indomie we dey always put a little bit of vegetable oil so that the indomie not go they gum together. And so I like to take the cook indomie for my children. I will put small groundnut oil. Sometimes I will even bust egg for inside. Now well, another day I will show now another way when I take the garnish my indomie. But for today now owo with the cook that one I just the one we want add join. Say as we they chop, our children go they chop their own. Okay, now we go try remove the fish from inside so that it not go scatter, because fish not to get skin to done. Before you even say jack, fish done. I'm not saying don't even they break already. So we go try remove one from inside so that we go put the black fish one we they call embe barrier. We go put them because embe barrier still you feel even eat embe barrier like that, but at least make it soak itself for inside the owo. Now they even they see the other side. Now the yam we want to chop and with small plantain. So now the owo with this is still a cook because you see and say something like it be like say water dey the top. So this thing need to come down a bit. You need to dry small, cover and make the fish soak up a little bit before the yam done. Now do well. So now we go remove the black fish. We go remove the black fish from inside so that it not go scatter for inside, because the owodo almost ready. So we need to remove the black fish, or it go just pieces. Now say I not pieces because you will remove them. Once you don't soak inside, you just remove and they stir them together. So now you now see and before say it be like say water dey on top. None of that now they see and it be like say water dey on top, like you know thick, but now see and it don't thick. So we go put them down and make it cold. Once it cold, we will come start our now cooking. We will come start our finishing touch with the potash and red oil. Now we go put the potash when we call ikan inside. If you put the ikan, then you go turn. You will come turn them together. See, and the color don't they change a little bit. That we never put oil. Then before we go come put our red oil. You will first put that one, first turn it together before you go add the rest. Join. See, and our owo don't they change color to yellow. Now cyan, so we go add the red oil joint. Cyan, you don't change color to yellow. Owo, this one we they call owo. So we go to eat this one with yam. Now we go put our fish inside. Now see the color now. Cyan.